Kosi for life.
Sure Pakania.
Grand mfethu.
Grand bafo grand.
Manje waniphazamisa ababhakaniya mfethu. Ababhakaniya afuna ukuwina, afuna ukuwina league nabaphazamisa. Throw kenzakalani?
The thing is one when Pakania. We playing for number 3.
Yeah.
So mina ngukhosi Sundowns. Yabo. Sundowns mayingena ku CAF automatically. Nami ngiyangena ku CAF. Sundowns mayithatha league ingena ku league. But into engiyithandile the boys today they proved themselves. Ithe masiceda ngomremi sakhona ukudlala ibhola elihle Pakania.
Oh so niplaying ukuthi namkapa kahle.
Yeah, it was a plan Pakania. Wasawubona umthetho ekhona lapho angithi. Umthetho bebhekene nomremi. Umremi mayiceda ukuphuma upolosi ufile nomfuki ngophaswa kuba. But idlala lethu le Pakania.
Play man of the match yakho mfethu ubani odlalela kamnandi.
Pakania ungibuza into eyibonileyo Pakania. Obvious. Peterson Pakania.
Yazi bajwayele ukuthini? Bajwayele ukuthi if a man of the match yakho goalkeeper kusho ukuthi the team obodlala nayo beyiza.
Yeah. Today to be honest, Pirates was on fire ne. And uyayazi nawe Pakania, uli Pakania Pirates abantu bagijima benza. But thina sibashaya ngecount encane. Sascore goal yase overseas eBarcelona. Uyibonile la goal Pakania. Yeah, igoli elihle lelo. Thank you Pakania.
So mfethu as the Kaizer Chiefs fan ne, realistically speaking, like makuphela season AP position ongathanda ukuzibona kuyo.
No, mina Pakania ngifuna ukukhuluma amanga ne. We're going to stay ku number 13. Sundowns will take the league, Pirates will be number 2 because once the Pirates ithatha league, nemoto esifile Pakania zizovuswa akukhali uhuta waya. So mayithathwe iSundowns solwa next season. Yeah, solwa next season mina nawo Pakania.
Last question member ne. Coming to next season, do you wish to see these two coaches Kaizer Chiefs baqhubeka in the team or would you like to see a new Kaizer Chiefs coach?
No, these two guys bawenzile umsebenzi wabo ne. So they must go. Sihambe siye ku Sundowns. Besibabolekile league angithi. So we're going to take back our league ngecoach entsha uPitso Msimani Pakania.
Ufuna uPitso next season?
Uye angifuni uye Pakania.
Ngiyakuzwa asivale mfethu danko. Salute PSL Pass bafethu please subscribe danko.